Hello, my name is Kayla Torres, and this is my presentation on the focus sequences offered through structural engineering. The first focus sequence I'll be speaking about is civil engineering. Civil engineers are in charge of the development of structures such as bridges, dams, buildings, and tunnels, and other offshore structures as well. These structures are those that civilians are dependent on and affect societal everyday life. These civil engineers include different kinds of components in their job, not always just structural, but also non-structural, meaning that not only do they focus on the structure itself, but also the components around it and how they will be affected by the structure. They are also offered different areas to work in, such as design, working in the field, and a variety of other opportunities. Next is geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineers work to find solutions for problems that stem from the base or in the ground. It is important that they hold a strong understanding of the chemical elements of soil, such as the air particles and the water particles in the soil, and how it affects the foundation that a structure will be in. They are known very much so for being in charge of creating strong bases on mountains and cliffs for structures such as this one in the picture on the left, so that a building doesn't crumble down with the cliff. Next, aerospace. It is important that aerospace engineers have strong understanding of the materials that they work with, such as the composite materials, and that they understand how certain parts of their structure work and the purpose of them. It is also important to note that they have a lot of job opportunities. Some of their job opportunities include of employment include NASA, SpaceX, the US Navy, and other aircraft companies. It is also important to understand that not only can aerospace engineers work on aircrafts and spaceships and those kinds of aircrafts, but they can also work with automobiles, marine structures, vehicles, and even sporting materials. So it's a very inclusive focus sequence. Also, the last focus sequence here is affected through the effects it has on damaged structures. These sort of engineers come in and find the damages that are caused by earthquakes and other sort of natural disasters. These are important because it affects the safety of civilians, and it is important for research purposes as well to see how buildings have been failing, whether it be through tension and compression or bending, and this helps other engineers create solutions for these issues and for them to come up with a solution for further structures to be more successful. My focus sequence of choice is civil engineering. I'm choosing civil engineering because I hope to one day be able to design and be part of the process of engineering residentials primarily, but also other civil structures. Yeah, thank you for listening. I hope you have a good day.